I think in our program, probably multiple work packages or people have different perceptions on cloud. I mean cloud as cloud computing. There is a shared infrastructure that is kind of located and accessed through networking, some networking protocol. And for sharing that infrastructure and using that infrastructure, then you pay for it in some sort of way, not probably money, but some other way as well. So that's, for me, it's cloud computing. Two things, I would say. Finland is kind of rather a small country, so we are kind of quite dependent on licensing, in a way, IPRs. That's what we are good at, developing good IPs and then kind of sell it and then make mass market out of it. I think Finland has a huge opportunity because much of this cloud thing or infrastructure is very much dependent on Linux model. And that's where I think Finnish engineers are very good at. And I think we can use that capability to develop business. And secondly, it is not human intensive business. It's quite technology intensive business. So I think, and even if you look at the social system of Finland, many of the things are kind of automated. What we try to do is, in cloud program, as we are now talking about automating and sharing and all those stuff, that will also fundamentally change how we develop software, right? So at organizational level or as well as outside organizational boundary. So, and you have most companies, for example, have now, even smaller companies in Finland have sort of, let's say, engineers working in China and India and so on, so on. So how we kind of, three aspects that come in: time, cost, and quality. So how to kind of reach to the market fastest way, and quality should be kind of much higher, otherwise you kind of out of the competition, and cost should be lower. So this is kind of very hard to achieve, this kind of triangle. Yeah. So that's what we are targeting in next 12 months. We would have, let's say in agile development, we have something called Scrum, which is sort of a tool or model to follow agile practices. I think two things will happen. One, that we will kind of establish, in a way, one of the first lean practices that you need to adopt if you want to adopt lean in software domain as such. And second, we would probably have a model for lean software product development approach, in a way.